So once you get good deep sleep, then immediately you will be mastering a lot of health and mental mind benefits, and spiritual growth also happens. Whenever you're in deep sleep, you're connected to Anandamaya Kosha. That's where all the miracles, magic happens there in the deep sleep. So, on an average, 25-year-old adult will be getting how much deep sleep? Do you know? 1 hour, 15 minutes deep sleep. Okay. So, a 45-year adult will be getting usually on an average 45 minutes only per day. And a 65-year-old adult is getting 30 minutes per day, that too optional, not every day. So friends, this is how the deep sleep timings for the normal people on an average, friends. Okay, 25-year people are that too. This one I'm talking about the healthy people. Okay, if they are unhealthy, this sleep is also not getting. But deep sleep is the one which is doing all the miracles in the life. Okay, all good health comes, strong immunity power, concentration power, memory power, determination power, willpower, immunity power, and understanding power, all understanding, so many extrasensory perception power, all the hundreds of powers are coming through our energy, through meditation. And of course, in deep sleep, if you increase through your meditation, that's what the Gudakesha is about. People are getting more and more deep sleep times every day. They're improving. See, this person is getting 2 hours deep sleep time. If you see this here, 2 hours. Okay. So here, out of 5 hours, 22 minutes, night time they slept. But they slept, usually one needs to sleep 8 hours. But here they are advanced. So out of 5 hours, they already got 1 hour 46 minutes deep sleep. More than 1 hour means you're already doing good. Okay, 1 hour 50 minutes. See, if you see here, the deep sleep percentage also, if you see, the percentage is 33%, which is relatively high, very, very, very high. Now, approximately 2 hours, they got it within 5.5 hours of sleep. Okay, so I'm not asking you to sleep lesser time, but you just need to make sure that deep sleep is more than 1 hour, friends. So like that, people are keeping competition for their deep sleep time, friends. Okay, so I wanted to show you this amazing image. So here, if you observe, the deep sleep time is 5 hours 48 minutes. It's a very, very, of course, we also have less images like that, but some people are competing like this. So imagine how much energy they will be getting in that kind of a deep sleep, right? So nowadays Fitbit and all the watches are coming. So like 5 hours in a night, this is amazing. So everyone can practice to improve your deep sleep time through Gudakesha. That's the reason I welcome all of you, friends, to compete in deep sleep time. Okay, so you can have plentiful of energy. And Patricia says one formula that half an hour of meditation is equals to 6 hours of sleep. So that one you can achieve through it. In 8 hours of sleep, what happens is, first 1 hour we go a little bit deeper, we relax and body relaxes, mind also, thoughts also settles down, and it will be having sleep waves, a little bit deeper. And sleep has disturbed sleep, dream sleep, and here and there moving and thinking, subconsciously clearing up, everything is there. So deep sleep is the one where you do not have any thoughts, your body also completely relaxed, you not even dream. That is called deep sleep. Okay. Nowadays with this kind of a watches, Fitbit or Apple watches or Redmi or Huawei, many watches, you can track the deep sleep time, which it is connected to your heartbeat, and it has certain algorithms. Almost healing and repair happens in the deep sleep, friends. That's the reason everybody is getting miraculous health benefits. Okay. Thank you.